Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, whatever time of the day it is in your neighborhood. Welcome to Essential Piece of Life. My name is Lasagna. All right, we done cleared the table off enough for us to get some things done, fam. So, moving on to my robes. I have 2, 4, 6 flower pots here, right? And I have some robes, fam. I mean, it's Freestyle Friday, fam. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with these robes. I mean, they've been stored so long, I forgot they had a headband attached to them. Oh my goodness. Welcome, welcome, welcome to all of my new subscribers, and welcome to all of you who are tuning in for the first time. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. And for all of you who are returning, welcome back, you guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna figure this out, fam. Freestyle Friday. All right, you guys, here we are. So, I spent a lot of time gathering up some stuff I thought could fit in here. Today is a day that I um, just put together some things that I have, and it's not anything that is planned. Of course, these roles, yes, they're planned, but the things that are gonna go with these roles, I have not determined yet. I had planned on staging these roles and completing them next week. So on Saturdays, that's when I put baskets to, put stuff in the baskets and set them aside. So anyway, I've already put the stuffing in here, and I've already taken off, well, I thought I had taken off all the tags, but apparently this one right here is trying to escape. Okay, hold on. Let's get this tag off. Okay. So anyway, I use this tool to get the tags off like my fingernails. I just take it and scrape it off. It works for me. So anyway, that's that. I'm glad I had that little tool right here. So, I have taken the tags off and stuffed the bags, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one together and determine what I'm gonna how I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna do the rest of them off of the camera. All right, so trying to determine what is going in here, fam. Oh my God. So these are one size fit all robes, and once I opened them or looked at them or snatched them up out of my inventory, I realized that they actually came with a little headband. Okay, all right, well, that's cool. Um, so where's the little belt at? I might need that little belt. Let me see if I can find it. It's in here somewhere. Okay. All right, so if I don't find it, all right. All right, so anyway, one monkey don't stop no show, fam. One monkey do not stop no show. So check this out. We're going to go ahead and go with the stretchy cord, and we're going to tie this together. I was looking for the belt that goes to this robe. I'm sure it's in there somewhere, but I would have to unravel this robe to find it, and I'm just not willing to do that. So we're going to go ahead and... All right, so we're gonna go ahead and tie this stretchy cord around here, because I'm gonna need an anchor for this basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this around. All right. So for the time being, let's leave it just like that. And so I got that anchor on there. All right, so just smooth that out a little bit. And turn this around with my flowers in the front. Can you guys see what I'm doing? No. Of course you can't, because my arm is in the way. Alright, so that's gonna be that. And I did take the cardboard out of here and replace it with this cardboard instead, because this one is a little bit harder and it'll be easier for me to shrink wrap than this one, this flimsy cardboard. Okay, so I took that out, and what I want to do is, all right, and what I want to do is cut a little piece of this cardboard so that I can stick it down. Cut a little piece of this cardboard so it can stick down in here. That's what I want to do. About the size of a bookmark. Alright, so I can cut a little bit off of there. And all I want to do is stick this down in here. All I want to do is have it stand up. Okay, just be a little bit more firm than what it is, okay? Yeah, so I just need it to stand up, all right? Hold on. All right, so you can at least see what I'm doing right here. Okay. All right, so, all right, so that's sitting up there, and that's gonna stay there. So I have not decided what I wanted to do at first. I wanted to go with the cherry blossom, right? So I wanted to go with the cherry blossom from the Dollar Tree, but I realized I only got the soap, the lotion, and the spray, right? I got the lotion and the spray, and I'm just like, no, that's not gonna work, because I also want to include this sponge, right? So just with the lotion and the spray, and I don't have, you know, any soap or anything like that don't make sense. It just don't make sense, man. So anyway, I wanted to include the sponge in here, so I needed to some kind of way get that in there, right? So I decided to go against that, right? And then I thought about it, and I'm like, oh, okay, wrapped in your arms. I still have some of these. Hold on, fam. Let me get y'all some light. All right, so I still have some of these from Ollie's, and I think they would go really good with, they may, you know, look really nice with that flower, right? Kind of like bring it all together, and then to put that in there with that. But the problem with this is I only have 2 sets of those, and so I'm like, I don't know, that ain't gonna work either. You know, that is not gonna work either. So I'm just like, I don't know, well, maybe I can do 2 of them like that. But I got 6 rows to wrap up, fam. I ain't got time for that too, for, you know, that stuff like that right there. I really don't have time for that. So, what I decided to do instead is go with the black cherry cola, candle. So the 3-wick candle, and it's got the little cherries on there and all that good old stuff. And I mean, it's a candle, right? And I need to put some more paper in there. It's a candle, and then also I have to go with that. I have some Dove, right? So I can put the Dove in there, and I'm just like, you just can't go wrong with the Dove. I still, oh my God, this soap smells, oh my goodness, this soap smells so good. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's almost like, oh, I don't know what, this is almost like an apple pie, fam. It's like, oh my goodness, it just, that smells good. So anyway, we have that, with cherry and chia milk, yes. So we're gonna do that. So all right, so we decided that we're gonna go with that, fam, and I need some more paper. All right, fam. So what are we gonna do here? I need some more paper, so I'm thinking that I'll go ahead and add my shred. I can do the red and white, you know. I can do the red and white, or I can do the pink, or I can just put the brown in there and make it look like dirt. We gonna see what the deal is. Okay, so the reason why I put the stretchy cord up here is that when I put my items in here, I'm gonna need for something for it to anchor up against. And actually, these two things right here are gonna serve to stabilize each other. Okay. Okay. They're gonna stabilize each other. Matter of fact, because I don't want it to be turned like that. I want to turn it where the cherries are on the front. Okay. And then this is going to be anchored on here as well. So I am going to take, I just took the tag off where this little plastic piece is still on there. So I'm going to go on the other side of this stretchy cord and I'm just going to anchor those two together. All right. And you can barely see that it's hanging on right over there in that corner. Right. And so this is, I think what I'm going to do, yes, is use I can use the pink. So I just got one more item to put in here, and that would be the soap. Okay, so this is going to be, I'm doing this in real time, fam. We just trying to see how we're going to be placing this stuff, okay? And so I got one more item to put in here. And this soap, it comes out the pack, so it don't have the design on the back or anything. It's only in the front. Okay, so now we got to figure out how we're going to put this soap in here. All right. That wasn't hard, now was it? No, it really wasn't. Trying to figure everything out. Okay, we're going to put that right there, and then we're going to put this here in here somewhere. As a matter of fact, I think I cut that too short. So let's do this again. We're gonna cut this paper again because that one was too short. It was wide enough, but it was just too short. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try not to cut this one too much smaller than what we just did. All right, because this is too small. And then we want that to be more at the top. All right, so yeah, that'll work. Because it's going to be down in the basket, so we want this to be up a little bit higher. And we're going to stick that down in there. And then we can actually, I don't know, that'll be it. We don't need nothing else in there. I don't necessarily like the way that looks. Okay, that looks a little bit better to me. All right. So that's it, you guys. That is it. All right, let me bring it down a little bit further so you can see what it is I have done. All right. All right, so that's it, you guys. That's all. And then we have our nice little robe up there. We have our candle, we have our Dove soap, we have a loofah, we have a headband, and we all, we have our cute little container. All right, so we're gonna do the other ones just like that, and that's gonna be it, you guys. And that soap smells really good. Oh my goodness, that soap smells really good. This is the beauty bar with cherry and chia milk. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go get some more of this. I'm gonna want to use that for myself. All right, but I love the colors, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, fam.